There's mad powder.
I like powder. When we went to the bathroom, I looked down and I'm like,
look at you. You got it too, and you didn't do nothing.
I don't like powder unless there's
Look,
jelly.
eat his pants. He's gonna be not happy about it.
I don't like powder unless there's jelly donuts involved.
So what girls are
Jelly
getting
donuts.
me.
acting like
I'm not even
donuts.
passed
You
out.
know about the jelly donut? It's like the
Listen.
strawberry egg. So when you blow your load on
Get
your face,
away
you
from
punch
me.
your
I'm
nose
not even
open.
passed out. You can't fucking antique
Do the kissy face.
Do you have it? He said
That's a lot of fucking powder. Holy shit.
That's how you antique them.
Just got it.
Matt, I just want you to know I was totally against this because I was so fucked up.
Breathing in powder right
Me too.
You just got it.
How much was
my
that?
friend.
That's good, dude.
Oh, is there powder
That's
on
how
me
you
now?
antique. Nah, you good. That's how you